Hey, it's ClayTrader, and this is NUS. You can see massive gap up this morning and has since been pulling back. So looking to try to go long here somewhere. Looking like it's trying to bottom out down here. You can see a nice doji candle right there, but at this point in time, not getting the confirmation. Well, maybe some confirmation here. But like I said, looking to go long. I'm not real sure yet on an entry point, but I do know that I'd like to try to go long here. A short at this point to me is kind of like chasing it. It's already made a pretty big move, so I don't want to chase. At this point, maybe I'll change that if it just starts to go sideways, and I could look for a break continuation to the downside. But for right now, shorting in my mind would be chasing, so I don't want to do that. I'd rather try to buy into another kind of panic move and then catch a little doji candle where I could scalp out for a quick little gain. So that's the plan right now. Like I said, don't have an exact point where I'd like to get in, but that's kind of my thought process. I will pause the video and keep you posted with any sort of updates. All right, I now have an order in at 89.30 for 500 shares, and I think I like the chances. You can see it's here starting to bottom out and potentially head back up. So what I'd like to see is for it to pull back, fill me, and then head back up and give 90 another little battle there. 90 is definitely the key level of resistance right now. It's so with a break of that, that's going to be the point where it really pops. So yep, lots of sellers up there at 90. Okay, I am now in at 89.30, and if I need to, like I said, I can buy some more shares and bring my average cost down. That's why I just went in small up front. So again, like I said, right now in at 89.30, having a sell order in at 90, and if I need to bring my average cost down, I can do that. But that is where I currently stand. So I will keep you posted. You can see right now falling, but like I said, I have plenty of capital left where I can bring down my average if need be. But I just first want to make sure to figure out where this settles out, where this kind of starts to bottom out at, and then I can make a more informed based decision there. So that is where things stand. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible, so I will pause it and then be back with any sort of significant updates. One update, I did change it to 89.50 as my sell. Not sure if it'll get back up to 90. It very well may, but sometimes you just got to be honest with yourself. I did not get the best entry point here, so if it bounces back up, I'll take a few profits, excuse me, and then I'll come back for another round. But I still haven't bought any more. I'm still definitely open to that, but sometimes you just got to admit to yourself, you didn't get the best entry. So if you don't think it's going to go up as far as you want, then you just kind of got to reduce. At first I was going for a 70-cent mark, but now I'm just shooting for a 20-cent one. And if I need to bring that down some more, if I still don't like the action, then I'll do that. But sometimes, that's the majority of the battle, just admitting to yourself that you didn't quite get the best entry. So my new sell order is at 89.50. I will keep you posted. Okay, I am back. Oh, just missed it. Maybe you caught it. And out. Got out at my 89.50, and I was actually trying to buy some more at 88.30, but my order never got filled. That would have been a nice little additional score there, as I would have been able to bring my average cost down and still then sell out at 89.50. But I was about, 15 cents from getting that 88.30 order filled, so it didn't quite work out. And like I said, I just rearranged. I dropped my sell because I just didn't get a good entry point. And sometimes you just got to admit that. It very well may go up there and hit my the 90 again. But now I'm speaking in hindsight, so that's a totally different ball game. But you can just see that I had to wait a little bit while. If you've watched my other videos, sometimes you see a score, a quick one in just a few seconds. This one took five or so minutes, and would have been a little bit better had I gotten that other fill, but I didn't. So it is what it is. But I'm probably going to play this one some more. I like the volatility on it. And, sometimes you just, if you don't get the best entry, then you don't have to go for the massive score. Like I said, at first I was going for 70 cents. But after watching things and see how it trade, that just wasn't realistic anymore. And now you can see it's back down below 89. So I just changed it to 89.50 instead. And now I was only going for a 20-cent score. Still $100, so I'm not going to complain. But yeah, so hopefully you learned something. Maybe I'll try to catch another one on video here, as I'm gonna keep on trading this one, so stand by. Okay, first thing to note that that's why, good thing I adjusted that order. You can see here it really fell apart, so I was out, but now I'm actually looking to go short here at 88.68 if it can bounce back up there. So let's see if that can happen. I've changed tunes, going from kind of being bullish to now I'm thinking a potential short here. So let's see what happens. Video is at 5 minutes now, so I want to try to keep this as short as possible. But again, my short order is at 88.68. Okay, hoping to get filled here at 88.75, and I am in. So now I am short at 88.75. Looking to cover here at 88.35. So there's my orders there. Let's see if it can pull back here and get me filled. Some strength here, but my thing is, I think within the strength, wanting a little bit of a pullback. So we'll see if I can have it pull back to 88.35 if I need to. Like you said, oh, and there we go. I am out. So what was that? A 40-cent score, and that one you saw was pretty darn short. So now I'm up for 300 on the day, and it's 10 o'clock exactly. So half an hour in, up 300, all in the same stock. And I very well will probably trade this one some more, but for just videos at 6 minutes, I don't want it to go any longer. Got to catch a couple trades. So I guess the lesson in this one is, be able to admit to yourself if you didn't get the best possible point and adjust your, where you want to get out accordingly. There's no shame in admitting that you were wrong in your entry point. Big egos is not for traders. So just be able to admit you're wrong. And I think, like I said, that's probably the biggest lesson from this one. So hopefully you learned something. If you enjoyed the video and kind of are seeing this stuff over here, the technical chart's fascinating. It's everybody can learn it. I offer courses for that. If you go to ClayTrader.com and go to the store, you can see the many courses I offer. So check those out. Also, if you want to hang out with me and other traders during the day, I offer a live chat room. And all you have to do is subscribe to my private trading group. Very cost effective, literally less than 1 cup of coffee per week for membership cost. So check it out. And if anything, read some testimonials. So again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something.